I'm going to quickly go through a few slide formatting guidelines for online courses. The key to good layout is simplicity and consistency. Use 2 or 3 ATU brand colors to help create consistency. In this presentation, I'm using dark blue text on a white background. So I'm going to get rid of this purple. For highlights, I've selected orange. Make sure you use a high contrast color for your fonts. This one is too pale, so I'll change that to a darker orange. You can check the contrast with an online tool, or you can download the color contrast analyzer from the company portal. Use one font type for your entire project. Sans serif makes it easier to read the document, so I will quickly change this to Lato, which is what we use in our courses. It's clear and easy to read online. For the first page title, stick to font size 70 or 56, then use 56 for page headings and 40 for subheadings. The reason we keep them quite big is to aid reading on different screen sizes. Students can end up viewing these on phones as well as on laptops. Then in paragraphs or bullet points, we use size 32 or 24. So I will change all of this to 24. And that fits perfectly. Make sure everything on the page is in the same size. So if 32 doesn't fit, change all your text to 24. And try to stay consistent within your entire project if possible. Use bold and italics sparingly. They're hard to read on screen and they're not accessible for everyone. Only use italics for the titles of books, films, and so on, and for foreign language words, except for commonly used words like cul-de-sac and premiere. Only use bold when the context alone doesn't let you know that emphasis was intended. You can see this is hard to read. Or if a heading or subheading needs more visual contrast, you can use bold. Now that's easy to read. We use sentence case, not capitals, for titles and headings. A quick, easy way to change this is to go up to your ribbon and select Change Case. It saves you going in to change the capital letters individually. Use capital letters for the start of bullet points. And use full stops at the end of longer phrases in bullet points. This is a short phrase, so you don't need a full stop at the end, but you do need a full stop at the end of this line because it's a full sentence. For consistency, I would always use the same punctuation for a bullet list. So if there were a mix of long and short phrases and the complete sentences needed a full stop, I would put a full stop after the rest of them. Remember, keep it simple and keep it consistent. Make sure that the formatting complements your content instead of distracting a reader.